I'm happy to be with you virtually to welcome everyone to this edition of the Economics Olympiad. I congratulate all the participants, all the students who have competed, their devoted teachers, the jury, the organizers, and of course, most of all, the finalists for the contribution that you have all made to this festival of ideas. Economics is sometimes known as the dismal science. I guess that's because economic science focuses us or forces us to think about trade-offs and constraints that often others don't want to think about. But I think the reputation of economics as a dismal science is really undeserved. Economics can be both fun and it can be also useful. I hope you've all experienced that. I think economics can be fun because it really stretches our mind. It enables us to imagine new possibilities about how our economies are organized and how our resources get allocated. And I think it's interesting and useful for the same reason that it allows us to imagine new possibilities, expand the range of what is feasible and what is possible about our economies. And I think we live at a time when these kinds of new ideas about reconsidering our economy and our society is especially important. Economics, as the world is in a time of transition. Old ideas about the role of the government in economy, the world economy and globalization, how different nations relate to each other, how the private sector relates to civil society and the public sector. All of these things are now being reconsidered because of a lot of things that have been going on. The inequalities that have been created by an era of hyperglobalization, of course, the global pandemic, competition, geopolitical competition between the United States and China, the war in Ukraine. We're really entering a very, very different kind of era where we are reconsidering our ideas about both microeconomic policy and macroeconomic policy. And so we need new ideas, and most likely these ideas are going to come from the younger generation. And that's why I think it's so important to have opportunities like these, fora like these, where we're showcasing new ideas from the younger generation, the future leaders of the economics profession. So once again, let me congratulate all the participants here. I hope you have a good time. I hope you have a stimulating time. I hope that you come out of this with a lot of new ideas about the future of our world and future of our world economy. Thank you.